Kevin is online. Let's talk to Kevin. And good afternoon, Kevin. How are you doing, sir?
Doing good, neighbor. Doing good. Doing good.
Yes. In your neighborhood.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. Today I want to roll out today, 5 o'clock.
You're going to roll out at 5.
Yeah, 5.
That's from Old Harbor.
From here, Old Harbor.
Okay.
The campaign just start now.
And where are you rolling to?
They was separate the big man for the boy.
Okay, who is the boy?
That guy there, that call him no name, that guy.
I see.
Yeah. So a real big man are gonna roll out this evening. They're gonna show his strength of Everald Warmington. We tell us we just a warm, just a juggle,
Yes.
just juggle, not play yet, not play yet, neighbor. Not dub, not play it. Just look at 45 playing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
so
when you roll out at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Where do you go?
We go up a country, Bannister, Barton. Yeah, today a country.
A motorcade.
Yeah. It's like a motorcade.
Well,
so we go stop and talk and interact with the people them.
Yes, sir.
And we just move on and go a different place and interact again, and you know what I mean?
Yes.
Regular thing, man. Regular thing, neighbor.
Big man thing this evening.
Yeah, we have big man thing. I know the person of gas or not, man. You can't just drive free, man.
I wonder, could I join the motorcade, sir?
Of course, neighbor, man. Of course. Yeah. You're welcome, man.
All right. Well.
Yeah, welcome, neighbor.
I see. Who buy me gas?
Everald Warmington, man. You know, one thing Warmington, you can take care of people. You know, make nobody go up on the road and gas not buy. Car, bike, and bicycle get gas too.
Yes.
Yeah.
I couldn't go ask, go down there, go beg gas, sir. I can't go do that.
No, Warmington know people. Warmington, if you drive up and you have a vehicle, you know you just count out people and give them money. Make them buy them gas because them a motorcade, we do it.
I see. Well, I can't do that.
That's why people love him because he take care of people.
Well,
it's a full round. It's an MP. Full round.
You can't make a talk for me, sir. You can't make a talk for me.
Anytime, neighbor, man. Anytime you come, man, we can talk to him, man. Yes, man.
Yes.
He's a nice guy to deal with, you know.
He's a old car. Me drive going aside. It all burn enough.
Wait, sir?
Yes. He's a old car. Me drive.
Eh? No, man. Probably can buy a new car.
And what you saying to me?
Yeah, man. Probably can buy a new car, man.
Well, no, me no. Old car, me buy.
Yeah, probably can buy a new car, gear.
Burn too much.
If you want it. No. You have a part that I buy a new car. Oh, it's one thing with the free MP.
Yes, sir.
MP take care of it. Take care of it. It's all MP. Remember, say one time, you don't get no ministry, nothing, no one to post, So it's and
you know why, sir? Because my old car, my can't even go over the hill there. It a pop, you know.
All right. Make it boss by a JLP then. You want a JLP?
JLP?
Yeah.
What is a JLP now?
A car, man. Van, JLP. You know JLP?
No, I don't.
No, man. Oh, come on, neighbor, man. You drag my foot too much, man.
No, but seriously, I don't know what
all right, neighbor. All right, so I can know about JLP. You buy a BMW then a Mark X or Axia. Something like that. You don't know about JLP.
But them said the Mark X is a, when the girls them unite, them drop them whatever they. Are true?
Of course, neighbor, man. Yes, neighbor, man. You have to keep.
Oh,
neighbor, you're not keep up to the time, you know.
No, I am not.
It's like the other side, you're not keep up to the. You know, see what we're going yesterday? It's a pandemonium.
Pandemonium, yes.
Yeah, the MP just full of joy. He can't believe one. Because we turn out him.
Yes.
Everybody out him.
Yes, sir. I saw
one thing with him. He work sure. Sure. And yesterday now, it's his strength at him.
The strength of
Everald Warmington, the strength. Because when we go country, you know, we go Marcus Pen and go village, and we come back, and we pass Warmington office. More people live over there. One bus come. More people over there. Because them people come late. So more people over there. left over there. So if you on Sunday now, neighbor, if I'm on Sunday, oh God,
Yes.
man. Oh God, people still left over half said we.
So you are going to be having a motorcade starting at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5 o'clock. Go right back to 2 weeks straight every day. Sunday to Sunday, Monday to Monday, Tuesday, when I left the road. One minute a campaign, one minute put the foot for the ground. The wrong put him in campaign right through.
So you
have
taken a break. You have taken a break from your job to be on the campaign trail.
Yes, of course, man.
Oh my goodness.
We sign off my thing, man. We sign off my thing because you see me? We are we are born labor right because of free last name Bell. So we are born labor right.
Your last name is Bell.
Bell, family, not me. Like my mother, them are Bell.
A Bell.
Yeah, Bell family come out.
So like your name Donovan Bell.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. But I'm a mother, them are Bell, you know. Yeah, family my Bell, but they have a different name. So
never heard it like that.
Yeah, we're bred. We have to say we're born to be labor right.
Yes, your surname is Bell.
No, not me. My mother them. My mother, my family them are Bell.
Yes, I hear you, sir.
Yeah. So I would say we just born as labor right.
Labor right.
Yeah, we are labor.
You love the Labour Party.
I mean, yes, man, we love it. Hey, neighbor. Labour Party sweet, you know, man. We say, man, Angela serious now. I work, Angela work, you know. Angela time I talk up to no boy, you know. I can see. You told you achievement, man. Oh God, man, in a 9 year, man. We say, man.
I hear that the
urban center, man.
I hear that the Labour right girls, them nice. Is that so?
Of course. But we are talking about neighbor, man. If you say girl, then come out in a yesterday, boy. Not tell you, man. Not tell you nice, man.
Yes. So I hear.
They're nice. They're nice, man. Neighbor. A big man ready for your road right now. And a serious guy that. Because when I'm campaign, he's serious. The man in a sleep, man. I want him with him. He said, you're ready for your road. And you set a time. I just said, time that. So he said 5 o'clock. We roll in 4:30 and thing. On the road we are go.
Work out to gas there for me, sir. Make us see if I can throw it in my old car and if me see if I can crank it up and get up the hill there. It may break down.
Oh yes, dear man. You're welcome, man. You're welcome to come, man.
Thank you.
So look when we come off the road now, me have to talk back to you and tell you what.
Go on
on the road. Yeah, on the road. Because me a grown man, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, me a grown man. Me know. Me know what go on the ground. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So take care to look more. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Respect to you.
Yes, neighbor. Big up yourself.
All right. Remember you buy 2 Heineken left there for me. You hear, sir?
You're welcome, man. What I worry about that? All right, neighbor.
Respect, my brother. Respect.
All right. Yeah.
That's my friend from Mr. Warmington's constituency. Oh, he's a nice man. He's a nice man. He says his mother's surname is Bell. Okay, so all Bells across Jamaica, they are labor rights. Good afternoon to you wherever you're tuning in from. This is your program Politics Plus, and a little bit. Good afternoon, Mr. Murray.
How are you doing, my neighbor?
I'm not too bad, sir. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing well. I share the same sentiments as you did earlier, where you say you don't think the achievements of the government have been received well by the people. And the question is what Jamaica really wants. I think on even on the sole ticket of the reduction in crime, I think that would have given the government a furlong lead. But when you listen to some comments, I mean, you have diehard people from both sides and people who love their party in spite of what wanted to win. But when you listen to some people who you think are intellects and some comments that they're making.
Intellectual.
Right. And to see how they're able to convince
Ibanese.
to convince some little man, and I would say we become they become gullible to the facts. I mean, I have been having some conversation with people, and one of the main questions I asked, I said, all right, everybody's talking about the prime minister's how he gained his wealth and all of that, but I am saying, as it relates to his performance in governance, it has not been questioned or achievement booklet, over 250 achievement. I haven't seen the PNP come and rip through that. Not even
sir,
one
I'm going
achievement.
to say something, and I hope that my listeners will not find it, because I think that some of our Jamaicans then don't have no ambition. They don't have no ambition, sir. I tell you the truth. I think it's a very sad statement to make, but I don't know that they want to progress beyond a meal, sir. Because some of these people, when we see a run behind PNP and a jump and a push up fist in the ear. Eh? To what? To what, sir? What is that? You want to tell me, sir, that a government create 300,000 jobs and has to be, sometimes I feel it for the Prime Minister, sir. I'm going to tell you the truth. The Prime Minister is out on the road, a losing voice. Yes? Have to talk to people to win a third term, sir. I don't say the Prime Minister shouldn't campaign, but this election shouldn't even be close. This election should not be close, sir. Right? And I am thinking that I may have to get on the campaign trail, sir.
That would be a good addition, neighbor.
Well, I am putting a team together. I'm not making any announcement yet, but I'm putting a team together. This is nonsense. Listen to me, sir. Listen to me. The people of Jamaica, sir, have made me feel that some of them don't know what they want, and some of them are not loyalists, and they don't love their country. Them believe in a handout. A handout, them a look. Right? They still believe in the philosophy of Nyama food. A food they want Nyam, sir.
That's true.
It's a food they want Nyam. And somehow them feel say, if their party win, they win Nyama food. Yes? But sir, they are in the minority.
I know they are in the minority. Yeah.
And it is very important. It is very important, sir, that the Labour Party over the next 2 weeks pitch its message to the undecided, to the middle class. Yes, it needs to pitch a strong message to the undecided, and that message must include the historical politics. People need to understand, yes, that there is a risk of us not continuing on the path that we are on. Yes? Because there is no commitment, I have heard, coming out of the People's National Party, that they plan to continue the progress that the country has made. And that is where the fear is in the society. That's where the anxiety is. But guys, you don't need to be anxious. What you need to do is to encourage your neighbor, yes, all well-thinking Jamaicans, to go out and to exercise their franchise. All right? But this government, sir, led by Prime Minister Holness, has been treated unfairly. Very unfairly. And if I continue to have a voice over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to point it out. That there is too many hypocrites in this country. At all them.
Let me tell you, neighbor. When I look and see even the the PNP's budget presentation and their manifesto. Now, if they came with something that was attractive, because Honda have sale, Toyota have sale. You might like a Honda car, but Toyota sale look more fitting to you, and both are good vehicles. So it will challenge you to make a decision. There is nothing that is challenging coming out of the PNP. They do a manifesto and then they come up and people say it's crap. They say, oh, that is we're coming with 2.0, the icing on the cake. So what was the first thing that you came with? You say you were going to do a manifesto. So what is the 2.0 going to do? Correct the mistakes that you are making. So, I mean, I don't see anything that is challenging what the government is doing and what Jamaica is supposed to see. The PNP, or I would say the risers are not challenging the work of the government, you know. The risers are challenging Andrew Holness. So if you're challenging Andrew Holness,
what has happened in Jamaica, Maury, is a travesty. It is a travesty. And when I sit from my lens and I evaluate what is happening in Jamaica, I say to myself, I will weigh my options. Because if certain things should ever happen in Jamaica, I'm going to weigh my options if I want ever to be a part of this country, this society. I'm telling you the truth, sir. It is a travesty. It is a travesty, sir, that a government comes into power, gets a country that is virtually broke, no money, yes, builds the economy, corrects the various inequalities in the society, reduce crime, reduce poverty, give public sector workers their largest salary increase, improve minimum wage. Every striking sector of Jamaica has seen some improvement. Everywhere. Roads have been improved. Hospitals have been improved. Police stations have been improved. Clinics have been improved. Unemployment. Yes. Poverty has been reduced. Yes. And yet still, you have a large percentage of Jamaicans saying, well, no, we need to get rid of them. How can that be? I mean, in any democracy, in any two-party democracy, you're gonna have support for one side or the other. But this don't look fair, sir. Something wrong here, sir, you know. Something wrong, you know, sir.
What this is going to do in a neighbor, well thinking and poised Jamaican who want to see better for their country. This is going to deter them from politics, you know. So we're just going to get the whatever.
I will tell you this, sir. I am watching this election very, very closely.
Yep.
Very, very closely. And you see some of them people here were out on road that push up fists. Yeah? Well, I won't even say that. All I'm saying to you, sir, is that if I have this microphone for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to point out that this is a travesty. It's almost an injustice that a man can work so hard for his country, to build his country, and people seem to be suggesting that he should be voted out. How can that be? And I don't agree with that at all. I think that this government is deserving of very serious consideration for re-election. Their performance speaks to it, sir. Their performance speaks to it.
It does.
You cannot go around it, sir. You know, I was telling some folks on Sunday that 300 lives have been spared in this country by this government, sir. Right? Andrew Holness has been the most unfairly treated prime minister in our history. He has not been treated fairly. And I encourage Labour rights to stand up and support their leader, support their prime minister. Yes, fight. And when I say fight, I'm not talking about sticks and stones. Yes, use whatever medium you have and support the performance. The performance of the government has been impressive, sir.
It surely has. It surely has. And I'll tell you this. even I might have a few influence, but you know, at one point I say I wasn't going to make it for the election, and if it should be that the Labour Party lose and I don't cast my vote, I would not sit comfortable for the next 5 years. I would not sit comfortable for the next 5 years, because these things are things that we have been asking for years.
In other words, you are overseas.
Yes, sir.
And you are saying that you were planning not to come, but now you're gonna have to come.
Because I was thinking it was a clear-cut election, so I was saying, sir, I don't have to come down.
No, sir. No, sir. Don't ever say that. No, sir. Don't you ever trust them people here in Jamaica. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
And in your personal life, you can know this. You can feed some Jamaicans, you know, sir. Take out your last dollar and lend them, and then still stab you in the back. A lot of Jamaicans don't have no loyalty, you know. Don't trust them.
That's true.
Yeah,
that's true. Yeah,
I have made the point that the Labour Party better don't take this election lightly. I don't think the Labour Party should take this election lightly. You know, they better be careful. Every vote matters. Every vote counts. Yes? Every vote counts. And you know, at 6 o'clock, I want my listeners to join me, because I'm going to point out the deception of the People's National Party, Diego, in trying to win this election. The PNP is trying to win this election on pure, the PNP, it is a travesty. I'm telling you, it is a travesty what is happening to the people of Jamaica. My God, I wish. Sometimes I wish I was a member, a part of the Labour Party to help them a little bit more. The Labour Party needs help, you know.
I tell you, neighbor, they need it. The odds are against the Labour Party. Not the odds to win. Yes.
Not the odds to win, because they are favorites to win.
Right. Well, I'm talking like the media, most of the media houses, and the one media house that I see that will call a spade a spade. The PNP is going to say, if these people are going to be a part of the debate, they will not participate.
Well, let me tell you something, sir. If Jamaica and Jamaicans sit down and allow this government to be voted out of office based on its performance, let me tell you so. I don't want to swear. So make I just leave that right there, so. If Jamaicans allow this to happen, sir, right? I don't know what would happen to this country. This would be a travesty, sir. And when I speak like this, I am very much being honest and unbiased. The government that is currently in office, sir, led by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, if this government loses this election in Jamaica in 2025, it would be a travesty. But I don't think it's going to happen. But I am telling you that I am disappointed that more Jamaicans are not showing appreciation for the work of this government. And you know what it tells me, sir? That governments to come don't have to work this hard.
That's what I'm saying. They're not going to be held to
those standards. In other words, you can be corrupt. You can be corrupt and be re-elected. Huh? You can go in, and when crime is high, you are re-elected. Unemployment is low, you can be re-elected. You don't have to perform to be re-elected in Jamaica. Are you telling me that to do well in government means that that's when you have to fight as hard as you have? I have never seen the PNP fighting so hard to win elections in the 1990s, when they were winning all elections. Yeah, the polls were constantly showing them ahead. Now we have this nonsense about gap closing. Huh? What gap? What gap has closed? Yeah. It's part of the narrative, sir. It's part of the deception. It's part of the propaganda. And my disappointment, quite frankly, is that we have not pushed back. Well, the party has not pushed back against it insufficiently. They must know something I don't know. But one thing I know is that when I talk to people on the ground, yes, there are many people who are not showing the type of appreciation that they should be showing. Yeah. What is happening in Jamaica, sir? What is happening in Jamaica? What is happening in Jamaica? This is amazing. This needs some psychologists to help us to unravel. Because I've been trying to unravel it all morning and I can't come up with the answer. No matter which angle I look at it from. I just can't understand. It's the first time I have to confess that there is something that is puzzling me. I'm puzzled. I am puzzled.
Neighbor.
I am puzzled.
But hold on. I remain hopeful that let me tell you something. You know, sir, Kimmy.
Mm-hmm.
There are more sheep in the world than wolves.
Mm-hmm.
The wolf, you see, is a fierce animal. But there are more sheep in the world than wolves. How is that so? And that is because there are more good people than they're bad. Truth is always going to prevail. And I believe that in this election, lies will be defeated. Lies must be defeated in this election. Lies must not be allowed to triumph in this country. This democracy must not be built on lies. We must tear down the lies and exalt the truth. The truth is that Jamaica today is much better than it was 9 years ago. And there is a clear path forward that includes every Jamaican. It's an inclusive vision. Unu can read. Yes? Unu can read. Go and read the performance book that the party puts out. Are those lies? Are those real things? Huh? What is happening to our people? Can they see that their country is heading in the right direction, or they don't? What more do they want?
Mr. Neighbor, you have a thing called brainwash and handout in Jamaica. And when someone is brainwashed, it's very hard to get them out of that notion of brainwash.
Hold on, let me address this now. Rico, I bet you can come up here and debate that with me. I challenge you to do it. Come up here and debate it with me. That crime went up under the Jamaica Labour Party. You don't know what you're talking about.
Debate with me as well.
You don't know what you're talking about. You're just spouting some words. All right?
Nonsense.
You just spouting some words.
That is it. That is what happened, you know. You have these people that I served in the Jamaica Constabulary Force under Minister Bunting when he was the Minister of National Security. And when you see Mr. Bunting come and say he's crediting the commissioner for the reduction of crime, but not the government, but he is blaming the government for the increase of crime, because crime has increased during the time of the Jamaica Labour Party in governance. And see, one of his, I don't want to say minions, but one of his supporters in Rico has been fed that, and he believe it, and he come over here and he start to do that. When people,
they can only type it. They can't debate it because it's not a debate they can win. Come talk about it.
That's why it is called brainwashed in a Murray. It's called brainwashed. When you are brainwashed to believing that something has happened, you're going to run with it no matter what. It's going to take somebody real good to wash out your brain and let you see reality. Rico is one of the many comrades that are brainwashed. I asked our comrade yesterday in East River St. Andrew, why are you voting for this man? And the reason why I call him this man is that I could have all make out his name on the shirt and his face wasn't there. And he said, she said, because we need a change. I said, a change.